What we have decided to do today is to add to our mandate that if you are a blogger or if you are being paid, we don't want to know what you are. But before you open your mouth again to mention Zion Ministry or Ebuka Obi, you better seek advice from your lawyers. Zion, aye. Ona alu. Only teacher. To the glory of God, before you are the Zion legal team. You can remember that sometime last year, in following with the vision, the mission, and the calling of our beloved prophet, he called the Zion lawyers together to assist him in doing the work of God. Like you know, the mandate of the Zion lawyers is to help the less privileged poor Zionites who have cases in court. Our daddy will fund us, will provide free legal aid to you. Also, members of the society, like you know, even before we were formed, our daddy used to hire lawyers to go far and wide and assist people in prison. Now he has brought us closer to him to assist him in doing that job. So if you are a Zionite and you have a case, of course you know that being a Zionite means you must belong to a group or a branch. You must be registered in one of these. Your admin will identify you to us, and your leader, if you belong to a group, will identify you to us. And in that way, we'll present your case to our daddy, and once we have approval, we will defend you free of charge.
The hour of grace is over.
So, to the glory of God, we have been doing some cases which we are not here to present to you. But after our extraordinary general meeting yesterday, we decided to expand our mandate. This is where you need to listen to us attentively. In our extraordinary general meeting, we decided to expand our mandate to including defending our daddy, who has called us to defend you, and defending Zion ministry. The reason we are saying this is that we have watched in the previous weeks, and we have seen how people get to social media and start saying all sorts of things. We don't need to tell you, you hear about them. What we have decided to do today is to add to our mandate that if you are a blogger or if you are being paid, we don't want to know what you are. But before you open your mouth again to mention Zion Ministry or Ebuka Obi, you better seek advice from your lawyers. Get your lawyers to advise you. The laws of Nigeria are written in black and white. If you to make allegation against somebody, make sure the allegation is true. If you want to make allegation against Zion Ministry, make sure it is true, because Zion legal team will be calling you to come and defend that thing you have said before the relevant authorities. We are not hiding. Remember that Zion Ministry has branches in all over the world. And we have lawyers who are members of Zion legal team all over the world. If you stay in America and defame our daddy in the Lord or defame Zion Ministry, you will meet us in court in America. If you stay in Canada and you defame our daddy or our ministry, you will meet us in court right there. So we have said that wherever you call us, we will answer you. While we glorify God for the work he's doing in Zion Ministry, we are telling those who are spared for war that we are ready for you. Zion, I hear you.
Praise God. Of course, you know why they were informed. They have been, don't worry, maybe coming Sunday,
Oh, okay. For ndị aghọtaghọ ife ekwuru ife a ịghọtago ịma na onwe ndị na-ege ntị mana ịchọkwa use English ịchọkwa sụọ Igbo ability for them to understand na do very far ịghọtago ife a na-agwụ na ife ahụ na from today henceforth na ikwuo ịgbagha ịmahụ gbagata aka na abụ aghọ oge otu ịghọtago ife a na-achọ ka agwa nkịta awụ na isi mmọnwụ esikwana n'anya dọka. Before you say anything jekwuo jụọ lawyer for advice. Before you say anything about Zion ministry jee seek advice from your lawyer. Number one. Number two, nenekwa mkpọrụ ịmadụ ife adịya ejighịkwa mkpachakọ nsi egbe were agba adaka ịmalụ na inwekwara ego iko kesi ka ị ghara iti na intimidate u ka ọ ya wole jiri ịmanya aka na akpa pụpụta ego wee sowe ka dị mba. Then nke ọzọ wụrụ na ebe ọ sokwuru ugwu n'ọlụ ịghọtago na ebe ọ sokwuru ugwu n'ọlụ na Zion media team nọka Interpol to capable of aka na abụ ịghọ otu na ebe ọbụla ọ sọrọ ugwu n'ọlụ ịghọtago. So ka ọ ya wee na-ekwu okwu henceforth about Zion ministry ka ị mara na the hour of grace is over. Unu na-ebidozi take churches and men of God for granted. It's high time unu ebido receive judgment unu instantly. Etu ndị Hausa si eme. You dare not come to mosque and talk nonsense about mosque or maybe about any imam. You dare not do it in the north. Try if you melonwe. So this time around we are not going to do like in Hausa ne wolulo ne tinaka ha. We are going to use all the legal avenues available at our disposal. So maloko ni iji ego iko case ogwo na ema iji ego case ni iji okwu ego eji ego case na kpukwa shirikwa na ushi shikpuo ka ị ghara iti nga mmalụkwa maka asịrị na agbahuzo were mgba oheshi ịghọtago and etighị otu isi daka ọ na-awe ala ọha adata ego ole jirikwana update go ka nyere unu ka ị ghara isi na ezu ga amụghọkwa ọkwa mmiri a before so mma anụkwa ebe a wụrụkwa a spectator wụrụkwa a reporter wụrụkwa an analyzer na ọ na ịjụ na ya mara ife na ya use your senses your number 6 ka ụbọchị taa mara anyị mma ka ụbọchị taa mara anyị mma